what? Is going up. Whilst Euro USD is going down. But with this behavior, if you are looking at it from a small time frame like H1, look at this. You can actually think, this market is actually selling. So USD CHF is actually a sale. No one is supposed to buy it. Look at that. Look at that. But if you are counting your levels, it's easy to pick that as much as I am on a buy at the moment, I'm supposed to sell. Because if I get to level 3, there is no way I can expect the market to continue going up when it's supposed to go down. If I come here and I say, okay, this is my high of my level 3, I'm putting it there. It means my next high of my level 1 is supposed to be that one. My next high of my level 2 is supposed to be that one. Definitely, I'm now at my level 3 right there. Okay. So why are you expecting USD CHF to buy when you're actually seeing a peak formation there? Why are you expecting to buy? You're actually even seeing an ID50 there. Why do you expect it to buy when it's supposed to be selling? That is exactly what you should be looking at to say, no, but I'm expecting this market to be going in the opposite direction. But because now it is going in the same direction as Euro USD, I'm expecting it to do what? To turn around. So now I want someone who is going to analyze for me this move from this whole move and tell me where USD CHF is going to go this week. Who is volunteering to do that? This is very simple. Can anyone volunteer to do this? You can show up by raising your hand or by typing on the text message. I don't know, whichever is easier for you. And please, any answer is correct in Forex trading because we are analyzing something that hasn't happened yet. So we cannot say, no, what you are saying is wrong. No, no one is wrong. Whatever you say is correct. Kutai is asking for a hand. No, just wait a bit. Let me give it to Zilo. What are you saying? I have asked you to unmute.
Hello.
Hi.
You got me unaware there. Anyway.
Tell me, I want to know.
Okay. So USDCHF. USDCHF. Right now it is in level 3. Because from 3 weeks ago, it formed the big formation high from 3 weeks back, which was the of the week on Thursday there. Thursday New York session. Then we dropped into level 1. The following week, we had the consolidation going into Monday.
This one.
And then, yes. And then they ran away on Tuesday, Asian session, a big drop into level 2.
Okay.
And then they dropped again into level 3. That was last week, Friday. And then they threw in a reset. I saw that as a reset, although it was ugly, but I think it was a reset on Tuesday.
Okay.
Then we dropped to level 1, and then level 2, and now we're in level 3.
Okay. Who else has a different opinion? So you're expecting a buy. That's what it means.
I'm seeing that as a big formation low on H1.
Okay.
Yes.
Who else has a different opinion? Livson, what are you saying?
I think it is in level 3 and I'm expecting for it to buy and then reset at the 200 EMA.
So you are expecting some activity right here.
Yeah, and reset.
Then sell.
And then we sell. Yes.
Okay. All right. Kudzai, what's your opinion?
That's basically the same what as I was seeing. Because if we really look at it,
okay,
we've got our peak formation, level 1, level 2, and then level 3. Our peak formation again, level 1, level 2, and then level 3 as well. So basically we are expecting this to buy to the 200? This white line, is it your 200?
This
The
one,
white
yes,
line,
yes.
this one, yeah. We're expecting it to buy from there and then go all the way down as well. Yeah.
All right. Let's put it this way. Maybe to try and help some of you. We said on Euro USD, we expect it to and then buy, correct? So I can actually mark them this way. It's still one and the same thing from what you guys are saying. I can actually mark them this way and say, okay, this is my first low, right? But it's my low of level 3. This is my low of level 1. This is my low of level 2. And now I'm in my low of level 3. Okay, so what we are expecting is, whilst Euro USD is selling, USD CHF tomorrow it's supposed to buy. All right. The moment this one is doing a reset for a sell, this one will be doing a reset for a buy. Yes, it is not going to happen exactly the same way we are saying it, or particularly on the very same day. But you see, this is actually even looking better. It might not happen on the very same day, but we are saying we are anticipating it to happen that way. So we are all correct, because you can even see we have a shark fin there for our first leg. We have that MPO bounce there for our second leg. But I'm still anticipating that maybe the dealer is going to come again and do the same thing like this tomorrow. That's what I'm assuming, that the dealer will do that and then go up. So either way, we're expecting USD CHF to go up. So what does this mean on other USD pairs? You can see USD ZAR has been selling, which is a good thing because it goes in the same direction with USD CHF. You can see which one is another one, USD CAD. It's also supposed to go in the same direction as other pairs, like, for example, this is also a good one. You can see it's also showing signs of a what? Of a buy, because it wants to follow USD CHF. What are we seeing here on GBP USD? GBP USD, we are anticipating a what? A sell, all right? Because that's exactly what's happening on Euro USD. So if you check your levels now, this side, you will find that, all right, let me try and look for a pen. You will find that at least your USD, your GBP USD is actually clear in terms of your levels. It's actually giving you level 3, level 1, level 2, and level 3. So we are expecting it to form a nice peak there and then drop down. Or maybe it's gonna wait until this 200, 800 crosses. If the 200, 800 crosses, maybe that's when it's going to what? That's when it's going to start selling. So that is the reason why I was saying most of our activity, probably we're going to see it on Wednesday. Maybe tomorrow on Tuesday, there's not going to be much activity in the market because they will be trying to work on turnarounds. So probably when they cross over this, that will be our second leg. Then now what we need to do, provided, okay, now I'm ending, so I need to give you this. Provided this is our first leg, like we are seeing on the 200, 800, you need to draw your line exactly right there, like what I taught you. This is where we are expecting our market to turn around. We are not saying our market is not going to strike pins there. It might strike pins, but that's exactly where we're expecting it to turn around. This is the reason why if you check, you'll find this small pin there. You can see it also turned around on the same area. If you don't understand what I'm talking about now, you better go and watch the video that talks about the rule of 40 candle. It's there on our website that talks about the rules of 40 candle. How are they important and how they assist us in turning around markets. So that is exactly where you are anticipating the market to give you your second leg. At least now, this is a very important point that I'm going to say now. As much as Euro USD and USD CHF were not that clear as to where they are going, if they are going to give second legs, first legs, and so forth, you will always find one or two pairs in the market that will have a clear move. Like this one right here, it's very clear. Even your EMAs are telling you what's going to happen. You will always have one pair that is going to give you a clear move. And that pair is the one that will confirm what's going to happen on the other pairs. So in this case right now, what we are seeing here in GBP USD is going to is actually confirming that what we did on USD and Euro USD is exactly what is supposed to happen. Actually confirming that. Look, even your NZD USD, remember what I was talking about. You can check your levels. It's going to give you 3 levels. It's also confirming that what we saw there is actually true. Look at that. You're actually going to have a 200, 800 crossing over this night. And so because this is also in NZD pair, who knows, maybe it can actually start falling overnight. I'm just saying, I didn't say place positions. I'm just saying maybe it can start falling overnight. But all in all, there are going to be pairs that will give you that hint to say we are definitely supposed to fall. That M there on odd USD is very, very suspicious. Look at that. That is a very good M to say you're supposed to take it even during the open of the US session, because that M there is a very, very good one. So I'm just giving you options of things that you need to look out for when you are now analyzing, probably for tomorrow or for Wednesday. You can see even your USD JPY, look at that there. We have confirmed that we have reached level 3 there. So there will always be a pair that will confirm that we have reached level 3. So that's all about USD pairs, guys. I don't know if there's anyone with a burning question before we close our session. I'm sure we're left with about 4 minutes. So I'm not going to start another second session once this one ends, but is there anyone with a burning question that would want to ask something? For those who want the recording, I'm sure Tino is going to share the recording with you as soon as we finish right here. Maybe he's going to send it via what you call this Telegram, so that it's easily accessible for everyone. But is there anyone who can who has a burning question, in fact, with these remaining 4 minutes, you can either type it on the chat page or you can raise your hand, then I unmute you and you tell me your question before we close, especially in regards to this that we were talking about here. So I'm also going to let you know when we are going to do a Zoom. But as you all know, this side in Zimbabwe, we are having holidays next week, Monday, Tuesday. So I was actually planning that we need to do some sessions. So we'll see how the programs will be like. But for me, for now, I don't have anything so far. So we'll see how we are going to do that. Maybe we're going to prepare lessons that we are going to do maybe in those days and cover up. So Sasha is asking about risk management. He or she says they would love to know more about it. Okay. All right, let me do it this way. I think we'll touch up on that in our next session, because right now I think it will be a little bit out of this. I know most people would want to know more about risk management, because risk management is very important. It is one thing that is going to protect your emotions and your account. So let me just say we are going to deal with this on our next lesson. We are going to deal with this risk management issue. So I think what I'm going to do now, I'll just try my Visa card and see if I can pay for this Zoom up again, maybe so that we don't get booted out in terms of time. So I'll try and see if my Visa card is going to work. If it works, then that'll be good. At least we are going to have a session that won't have any timeout the next time we get it, so that we work on the analysis and then we also work on risk management. But I think our next lesson, maybe we're going to do it on Wednesday, probably. I'll let you know. So if we are going to do it on Wednesday, it will be generally about risk management and also trying to review what we were talking about, to see if what we were talking about, is it what exactly happened? If it's not, then we try and review and see, where did we get it wrong, or how do we alter and all that and so forth. And I know there's a lot that you need to know in a way for quite a long time. So we're going to cover all that. Don't worry, guys. So I think if there's nothing else, let's have a good evening. So I think I'll have to go and see if my son is already asleep. So well done, guys. Thank you for being with you again and for being patient. Enjoy your evening and have a good one.